Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the drug discovery. The drug discovery is defined as the process of designing and developing new chemical moieties for the treatment of the diseases. The association of the chemistry, biology and the pharmacology was worked together for the miracle in the field of the medicine. The stages of the drug discovery are: the first is the target identification. In target identification, drug can be therapeutically efficient after it binds to the body protein. The target can be the protein and the receptors, hormones, nucleic acid, etc. Hence, it is essential to determine the binding target of the drug. The target can also include the gene or the protein that is responsible for the particular diseases. However, it is a pivotal for the researcher to select an appropriate target that will be interact with the drug molecules and the produce therapeutic effect. The method involves a phenotypic approach for the identification in that specific target by exposing the cell tissue and the small molecules that exert the required effect. It is done by the various methods like affinity chromatography, protein array, biomolecules suppression, etc. Now, second stage is the target validation. In that, confirmed role of the target on the disease, or after the selection of the target, researcher must confirm that the target are the potential causes of the diseases. The target can be identified by the literature review or the specific technique. The effect of the drug should not be modified by the altering and the changing the cell or the tissue type. Third one is a lead compound identification. In lead compound identification, lead means the chemical substance which has the biological or the pharmacological effect for the therapeutic use. The lead compound identified by the using the various types of the processes like a random screening, non-random screening, high throughput screening, combinatorial chemistry, and last one is a serendipitous method. The fourth stage is the lead optimization. After the successful identification of the lead compound, effort has been taken for the to increase the potency, binding and the pharmacokinetic properties of the drug, followed by the decreasing toxicity. In this phase, it involves the SAR, that means the structure activity relationship, and the various analogs are developed. The last stage is a drug discovery, in that is preclinical trials. In preclinical trial studies, they are performed in vivo, in vitro, ex vivo and in silico model to obtain the basic information about the safety and the biological efficacy of the drug candidate before testing it in a final target population, that is the human. The main challenges in the preclinical studies are the improper study design, lack of the knowledge of the PV. In the drug discovery, there are few methods which are used for the discovering the drugs. That are the random screening. Next one is molecular designing. Next is a molecular manipulation. Up next is the drug metabolites, and last one is a serendipity. In the random screening, it involves the number. It involves no intellectualization. That means all compounds are tested in the bioassay without request to their structure. Next one is a molecular designing. In molecular designing, the design of the molecules or moleculars that are the complementary in the shape and the change to the molecular target with which they interact and they can bind. The next one, third method for the drug discovery is the molecular manipulation. In this method, in power of the power to manipulate the molecules takes place, or molecules can be manipulate. Next, fourth method is the drug metabolites. In the drug metabolites, metabolism of the drug in the body is a complex biotransformation process where the drug are structurally modified to the different molecules. Now last one is a serendipity. In this, it find something accidentally good moieties or a good product. Thank you.